Going to be doing something with the Vette today, hopefully. Shouldn't take too long, I don't think. Anyways, I bought these from Pat at American Hydrocarbon. I think they're going to look pretty good. Shouldn't be too hard to change out from what I hear. So, let's get going. Okay, it looks like we're going to be taking this off. Little thing there. Probably an A-pillar too, I would imagine. I don't think it's going to be too awful bad though. Screw right here. They're supposed to be anyway. Looks like it's not there. Damn guys, did my windshield. I'm finding all kinds of stuff that they're wrong with what they did. Pardon me. Okay, I got that out. Looks like it's reusable. It feels like it's glued on. Yep, it's glued on. There's another little tit there. There's a little tit there that's on the inside. And it looks like it's going to be easy to get out. Let me show you this. There's some glue here, and looks like it's really easy. I guess. Take the screws out and I'll be back. Alright, I got all the screws out. There's a screw down here, a screw right there, and a screw right there that actually holds the trim piece on. The other screws were just for the weather strip molding. This thing should come off now. Hopefully fairly easily, and it did. Look at that. Put the new and improved one on. I don't want to scratch that. I think I might need both hands here, so I'm going to set the camera down. Come on. There we go. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we can get some screws in here. Sorry for my glasses, but just the way they is right now. Actually, I'll get my wire rim ones on so I don't look so bad. It's gonna look really cool. I don't think I needed to take that A-pillar off though. But missing a screw there too. So anyway, that's the way we do it. Pretty easy to get off actually. Stuff is this rope, stick cock black. So I'm gonna put some of that on this corner here, and hopefully it'll stick pretty good. Seal all right. I think it'll be all right though. Okay, this stuff is like super sticky. It's gonna work great for a seal. Okay, if you're wondering how to get this seal back in, it's pretty easy. Just pop it in that bottom groove. and stuff it in there. Might take 2 hands, but I think you get the idea. Might need a little tool, it'll help. That did it. Pretty easy, as long as your track's in good shape. This side done. I gotta get one more screw for a push pin for right there, and then a screw for this. So I think that'll be pretty minimal though. I think it looks good. Seals all in and tight. I did have to use this to tuck it in that groove. Nice and snug. But it worked. I like it. Now for the other side. Yeah, we're going to be doing the passenger side now. I shouldn't have to show you as much as I did before, but see, that screw's missing too. There in that corner. Anyways, you got to take that screw out usually if it's there. This push pin, and then there's another push pin underneath this rubber about right there that you need to get out. And the seal comes right out of the groove. Then you can just take all the screws out and replace it. I got the passenger side on. No issues. Seal went in great. Fantastic. Looking good. Looks pretty good. I'll be really happy with that. Well, they're both on. I think they look great. I love the look. Sets it off a little bit different than the others. Easy peasy to do too.